Today I'm going to show you this simple tea. It's made out of ginger, turmeric, lemon, and this tea will help you to boost your immune system and fight against cold, flu, germs, viruses, and chronic illness.
So let's make this immune system boosting tea. So for that, here I have taken water. It's boiling water. I just microwave it for 2.5 minutes. So let's take water first. Here, so I'm using this hot water, but you can use green tea instead of plain water. I do take this tea with green tea as well as with the water. If I'm drinking this at night, I just have with plain water. But if I'm drinking this during the daytime around 3-4, I have with green tea. So it's up to you, but I'm trying to make this video and keep this video very simple with very few ingredients if you have in the house and in your kitchen. Into this boiling water, I'm going to add ginger. So here, and it doesn't bother me, it's not puree, it's just mince, so it doesn't bother me. But if you don't like this texture, then you can just puree them. So here I'm going to add this much ginger, about half teaspoon. And next is garlic. I'm just using, this is 1 clove of garlic, but I'm not going to add whole clove. So I'm just going to grate this. You can again also puree this if you don't like it, but I don't mind. So I'm just going to grate this in here directly into this water. Okay, so I kept it this much out. This is enough. Next is lemon juice. So I'm just going to squeeze out lemon juice in here. Next is turmeric. Again, really good for your health. As you can see, I'm adding just a little bit, about 1/4 teaspoon. You don't need a lot. If you're using fresh turmeric, then you can add more, but I'm using powder, so you don't need a lot of turmeric powder into your tea. So if you don't find the turmeric powder, if you don't have in your kitchen, don't worry about it. You can still make this with ginger, garlic, and lemon. So I think this basic ingredients everyone should carry in their house, and I think it's really easy to find in your kitchen. So if you don't have even turmeric powder, you can only use this ginger, garlic, and lemon juice. It's gonna help to boost your immune system. But if you have this extra ingredient, it's just gonna multiply the effect. So if you have it, add it. If you don't have, you just make it with ginger, garlic, and lemon. And if you don't like the flavor of this drink, what you can do is add honey. Honey also is really good ingredient. It can also help in your body. If you like to have this drink without honey, that's fine too. But if you just don't like the taste of it, you can add honey. Okay, let's stir this. This drink is ready. Look at this golden turmeric tea.
I do not like sweet tea, so I am not adding honey into this tea, but you can definitely add it.
Alright, so quick recap for this recipe. Use hot boiling water, add these ingredients to it, let it sit down for a few minutes until it cools down a little bit. You want to have it warm. If it gets cold, you can just microwave it again for 1.5 minutes and have it. You want to have it warm, not cold. That's the key. And this drink is just going to help you to boost your immune system, fight with colds and sore throat. Also going to help you lose weight because ginger, garlic, lemon, it's gonna clean your body. This tea is really good. Just to decorate, I'm going to add this lemon slice in it.